Welcome back. Every year, electric cars get more exciting, and 2025 is shaping up to be a turning point. The EV revolution has moved beyond early adopters. Now, innovation and competition are everywhere. We're seeing bold designs, maturing tech, and performance that's raising eyebrows. Today, we're diving into the most anticipated EVs hitting the roads in 2025. From affordable SUVs to luxury machines, this lineup could finally convince the skeptics. I've picked out the models you need to know. Let's break down their specs, design, and what they mean for the future. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the Tesla Model 3 Highland, the highly anticipated refresh of the electric sedan that redefined what an EV could be. Since its original debut, the Model 3 has been a game-changer, setting benchmarks for range, performance, and tech. Now with the Highland update, Tesla is raising the bar once again, blending innovation with refinement in ways that are hard to ignore. This isn't just a simple facelift or a minor update. Tesla has reimagined the Model 3 from the outside in, making meaningful changes that go far beyond surface-level tweaks. The Highland brings a sleeker, more aggressive front end that gives the car a fresh identity. The new Matrix LED headlights not only look futuristic but also improve nighttime visibility and safety. Tesla's engineers have also sculpted the body for even better aerodynamics, which means less wind resistance and a noticeable boost in efficiency and range. Every curve and crease is designed with purpose, making the Model 3 Highland stand out on the road. Step inside and you'll notice Tesla's commitment to minimalism has reached a new level. Gone are the traditional stalks for indicators and gear selection. Instead, you get intuitive steering wheel buttons and a streamlined touchscreen interface for shifting gears. This approach not only declutters the cabin, but also makes the driving experience feel more futuristic and seamless. The interior now feels truly premium, with upgraded materials throughout the cabin. Soft-touch surfaces, new trim options, and customizable ambient lighting create a sophisticated atmosphere. Tesla has also added acoustic glass, which significantly reduces road and wind noise, making every drive quieter and more relaxing. It's a space that feels both high-tech and comfortable, perfect for daily commutes or long road trips. When it comes to range, the Highland delivers more miles per charge, especially in the long-range model. Impressively, Tesla achieved this without increasing battery size, thanks to improved efficiency from the new design and software tweaks. This means you can go further on a single charge, all while keeping running costs low and reducing your carbon footprint. Tesla has also fine-tuned the suspension, resulting in a smoother, more comfortable ride. Whether you're navigating city streets or winding country roads, the Model 3 Highland absorbs bumps with ease, but still delivers the sharp, responsive handling that drivers love. It's a car that's as enjoyable for spirited driving as it is for everyday errands. What's really impressive is how Tesla has listened to owner feedback. They've addressed previous complaints like cabin noise and interior quality, while doubling down on the Model 3's strengths, such as its intuitive tech and driving dynamics. This refresh feels like a direct response to what drivers wanted most. For anyone considering an electric sedan in 2025, the new Model 3 Highland is the one to watch. It's not just keeping up with the competition, it's setting the pace, offering a blend of style, performance, and technology that's hard to match. With all these upgrades, the Model 3 remains the benchmark for electric sedans, now even better, smarter, and more desirable than ever before. Next up we have the Ford Explorer EV, a legendary nameplate that's been reimagined for the electric era. The Explorer has long been a symbol of adventure and family road trips, and now it's making the leap into the future with a fully electric powertrain. This marks a significant milestone for Ford, as they bring one of their most iconic SUVs into the world of zero-emission driving. Built on Volkswagen's advanced MEB platform, the Explorer EV is the result of a unique collaboration between two automotive giants. This partnership allows Ford to accelerate its electric vehicle plans, leveraging proven technology while adding its own distinctive design and features. The Explorer EV is assembled in a state-of-the-art facility, highlighting Ford's commitment to innovation and sustainability. The exterior design is both modern and rugged, with a compact footprint that's perfect for city driving, yet an upright stance that signals readiness for adventure. The sealed front grille and bold Explorer badge give it a fresh, futuristic look, while still honoring its heritage. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or just running errands, the Explorer EV is designed to turn heads and inspire confidence. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's both high-tech and family-friendly. The centerpiece is a massive 15-inch touchscreen that slides to reveal a hidden storage compartment, perfect for keeping valuables out of sight. The interior is packed with practical features, including the innovative Mega Console, which offers flexible storage for everything from tablets to snacks. Premium materials and thoughtful touches make every journey comfortable and convenient. Space and usability are top priorities here. The Explorer EV offers generous cargo room and flexible seating, making it ideal for busy families with active lifestyles. Whether you're loading up groceries, sports gear, or luggage for a road trip, the Explorer EV adapts to your needs with ease. When it comes to performance, you can expect both rear and all-wheel drive options, a competitive driving range, and ultra-fast charging capabilities, with the ability to charge from 10% to 80% in just 25 minutes. The Explorer EV is ready for life on the go, minimizing downtime and maximizing convenience for families and commuters alike. The Explorer EV is Ford's bold move to capture the heart of the family SUV market in the electric age. It's designed to fit seamlessly into daily life, from school drop-offs to weekend adventures, offering the versatility and reliability that families expect from the Explorer name. Ultimately, the success of the Explorer EV will be a crucial test for Ford's electric ambitions. If it resonates with families and adventure seekers alike, it could pave the way for a new era of electric SUVs, proving that legendary names can thrive in a zero-emissions future. Hyundai's Ioniq 7 is their bold entry into the three-row electric SUV space. Inspired by the Wild 7 concept, it features signature pixel lighting and a futuristic boxy design that maximizes interior space. Built on the eGMP platform, the flat floor creates a lounge-like configurable cabin. Think swiveling seats and sustainable materials. Fast charging is a highlight, 10 to 80% in under 20 minutes, with over 300 miles of range expected. Vehicle-to-load tech lets you power devices, or even your home. The Ioniq 7 is Hyundai's push to dominate the family EV market with style, space, and sustainability. Volkswagen's ID.7 is their first global all-electric sedan, and it's a big leap forward. With a drag coefficient of 0.23 and a new efficient drive unit, it targets up to 435 miles of range, serious long-distance comfort. The design is clean and timeless, with a coupe-like roofline and signature ID light bars. Inside, a 15-inch infotainment screen, illuminated touch controls, and smart climate features make for a premium experience. The augmented reality head-up display projects navigation and speed directly onto the windshield. The ID.7 is for drivers who want comfort, efficiency, and practicality, without the luxury price tag.